What do you think about this? Two of those. That's nice. Look trash? No, it doesn't. No buy Grandiosa. I can add them Grandiosa, okay? I can add another Grandiosas. Give me a second. Where is Dr. Oetker? The most sold pizza in Norway is this one. This one was most sold in Norway. I agree with it, it tastes a bit like cardboard. Need many stacks of pizza. Is this a good thing? Or should I just walk past this area here? I have Pepsi at home. If Jeanette comes to visit, I need beef jerky. Wait, chat. Do they have Doritos here? I didn't see. I don't think they have that here in Norway. Not at all, actually. Cheese doodles. We have Doritos in Norway, but maybe not in Cape Kona land. I'm not quite sure actually. I think I've seen it. Lutefisk. Oh no. Cheese doodles, big bag, extra large.